Hello. Today we will talk about data organization and data analysis. Data organization and data analysis are important steps. In biological method, data can be defined as the information such as names, dates, or values made from observations and experimentation. Let's talk about data organization. Data organization. In order to formulate and then to test hypotheses, scientists collect and organize data. Prior to conducting an experiment, it is very important for a scientist to describe data collection methods. It ensures the quality of experiment. Data is organized in different formats, like graphics, tables, flowcharts, maps, and diagrams. Let's talk about data analysis. Data analysis is necessary to prove or disprove a hypothesis by experimentation. Data analysis is done through the application of statistical methods. For example, ratio and proportion. Let's talk about ratio. When a relation between two numbers, for example, A and B, is expressed in terms of quotient AB, it is called the ratio of one number to the other. Ratio may be expressed by putting a division or colon mark between the two numbers. For example, the ratio between 50 malarial patients and 150 normal persons is 1:3. Let's talk about proportion. Proportion means to join two equal ratios by the sign of equality, equal sign. For example, AB equals sign CD is a proportion between the two ratios. This proportion may also be expressed as a ratio B proportion C ratio D. When three values in a proportion are known, the fourth one, X, can be calculated. For example, a biologist can calculate how many birds will get malaria when he allows infected mosquitoes to bite 100 healthy sparrows. In the previous experiment, he noted that when he allowed mosquitoes to bite 20 sparrows, 14 out of them got malaria. Now he uses the proportion rule to know that how many sparrows are infected by mosquitoes. Out of 100 healthy sparrows, first ratio is 14 out of 20, and second ratio is to know how many birds are infected by malaria out of 100. So from above, two ratios given proportion is formed. 14:20, proportion X ratio 100. By solving this proportion, we get the value of X. Here X is equal to 70. It means 70 out of 100 sparrows get malaria. Statistics are thus a means of summarizing data through the calculation of mean value. This step is very important as it transforms raw data into information which can be used to summarize and report results. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel. Thank you.